Hey guys, today I purchased this axle. It had popped out. I had to pull the boot off of it to fix the axle. But I was running the C-clamp. Not really a good long-term fix. So I went and bought some CV clamps, and they kind of came from Amazon. There's a whole bunch of them, different sizes, 2 different sizes. I've never installed these before, but basically what I understand is they kind of come around and they clip on each other. So if you kind of look at this, there's little hooks in here that clip in. So I'm just going to tighten this thing up as much as I can get it, and then once I get it clipped into place, then I'm going to take these pliers and just clamp it like that. Well, that's pretty easy. You guys can kind of see, just kind of pinched it, tighten that clamp up, does the job. Guys, if you like this or like these videos, leave a comment below, but I'll put a link below for these clamps on Amazon. Thanks, guys.